Would you know what to do if you got lost?
Welcome to our channel. Here, you can learn English easily through fun short stories. Let's start!
A few hours earlier, sunny day, the family goes to the park. They find a nice spot near a big tree. Dad spreads a picnic blanket on the grass. Tom and Alex run toward the playground. Tom climbs up the slide happily. Alex swings on the swings, laughing. "This is so much fun," says Alex. Emma calls out, "Stay where I can see you." Dad and Emma sit on the blanket watching the boys play. A colorful butterfly flies near Alex. Alex says, "Wow, look at that butterfly." He follows the butterfly across the grass. The butterfly flies behind some bushes. Alex walks after it further and further. He does not look back at his family. Suddenly, Alex cannot see the playground anymore. He looks around. Everything looks different. "Mom, Dad," Alex calls out quietly. His heart beats fast. He feels scared. Meanwhile, Tom looks around. Where is Alex? Emma stands up quickly. "Alex! Alex!" Dad calls loudly, "Alex, where are you?" Emma says, "Don't panic, we will find him." Dad says, "Tom, stay with Mom. I will look near the trees." Emma says, "I will check the playground again." They split up to search different areas. Meanwhile, Alex remembers something important. Dad's voice echoes in his memory. "If you get lost, stay in one place." Alex sees a big fountain nearby. He walks slowly toward the fountain. Alex sits by the fountain, hugging his knees. "I will wait here," he says bravely. Back with the family, Tom searches near the slide. "Alex! Alex, where are you?" Tom shouts. Emma looks behind the swings and the sandbox. Dad walks quickly around the tall trees. Minutes feel like hours for the worried family. Emma says, "Let's check near the fountain." They all walk quickly toward the fountain. From far away, Dad spots a small figure. Alex sees his family running toward him. He jumps up, smiling with relief. "Alex!" Emma runs and hugs him tightly. "I was so worried about you," she says. The family sits together near the fountain, relieved. Dad says, "Let's get ice cream to celebrate being together." They eat ice cream and laugh together. Alex holds Tom's hand tightly as they walk. The sun begins to set over the park. The family walks home together, happy and safe. That night, Alex hugs his teddy bear in bed, feeling safe and loved.
Answer the episode's question appearing in front of you in the comments.